run today, all of them have been startups, not ancestrally given to you. So, what are the key points that you keep in mind before getting into a startup venture?
I think I do learn from friends. They are quite surprised when they come for the shooting for an hour. They come to say a cordial hello and show me respect and love when I'm shooting for their ads. But I sit down and talk to them about business, and they're like a little taken aback. I get very intrigued by business because I personally am not a good businessman. And the one thing I've learned from all these wonderful people, and there's some other business friends of mine, is that if you don't have passion for something, don't do it. And don't look down upon somebody else's passion. So if they have passion for cloth, and I have passion for acting, I have passion for doing something for children, each passion has its own place. And do not do a business for the sake of making a quick buck. Don't do a fly-by-night, jig. Do not ever think a business is going to prosper only because you're over smart or smarter than the market. You need to have, I call it, what everyone calls a gestation period. There is a period. It's like keeping a baby like a mother does. You have to nurture it. You have to look after it. And actually don't expect anything back in return but the fact that the baby turns out well. And the money and finances and everything else then follows.
So the risk factor involved, does it ever scare you or
It's as much risk in having a baby.
Okay.
Yeah, you will feel, you're always worried. I have children who are 18 and 16. They go out in the night, I'm worried. So you'll always be worried about your business. You'll always be worried about your baby. If it should be your baby. A lot of people do a lot of businesses, do stuff, and they make a lot of money, and God bless them. But I would say if you want to do a business which is about longevity, which is about lasting, which is about, you should do a business you don't want to give to someone else. You want to give it only to your children.